How to kill moles in winter. Moles are active for the entire year, but they burrow deep during the winter months. When moles start burrowing, damage to the topsoil and plants' root systems can sometimes occur, making the moles undesirable. Killing moles during winter months is the ideal time because the young are not yet born. Winter killing has the challenges of colder weather, but it prevents the birth of young and kills the moles before the spring planting season. Things you will need: grub and worm killers, mole trap, poisonous bait, water, shovel. Kill the mole's food supply. Poisoning the grubs, earthworms and similar underground insects is an effective way to kill or get rid of the moles. Moles primarily eat underground insects and most species of moles do not eat plants. As a result, killing the food supply can kill the moles, especially during the winter months when food is limited. Set a mole trap, such as a harpoon trap. Always set the trap according to the instructions to avoid injury to self and ineffective traps. Traps are the most effective way to either kill or get rid of moles. Set poisonous bait out. Winter months are hard because food is limited. According to Do Your Own Pest Control, moles have high metabolisms and eat large amounts of food daily. As a result, poisonous baits are attractive during the winter months. Setting the bait with a trap can lead the mole to the trap and poison the mole. Flood the mole tunnels. One of the most effective ways to kill moles is getting them to leave the tunnels. Moles cannot withstand flooding and will flee when water fills the tunnels. Once moles rise to the surface, hit them on the head with a shovel. According to the Washington Department of Fish and Wildlife, moles are sensitive to concussion, so hitting them with a shovel after flooding the tunnels can kill them.